Hi, this is Desmond Mead with Keller Williams Realty with the Mead Real Estate Team. Right now, I'm in Long Cove. This is a subdivision built by Mungo Homes in the Blythwood area. And I just want to take a few minutes just to show you one of the awesome floor plans that they have here. This floor plan is called the Rutledge. It's a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. Beautiful home, beautiful home. I'm going to give you a quick tour. As we walk through this home here, we walk into the great room. As you can see, the great room, open floor plan. And then off to my left right here, you see a lovely kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Beautiful island, large, huge island with a breakfast area off to your left here, straight ahead. Gas top countertop. Here you have a double oven. Hardwood floors throughout on the main floor. As you walk through here, we have a bedroom here on the first floor. Bedroom here on the first floor, beautifully designed, beautifully designed. Again, this is the Rutledge floor plan. I'm gonna walk upstairs real quick and give you a quick tour of the upstairs. All right, as you can see, look at the staircase, hardwood staircase with iron rails. And here, first, we're on the second level now. And 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath. This is one of the bedrooms here. Go through here, and I'm gonna show you here. This is the owner's suite. Beautifully designed. Huge owner's suite with a sitting area. Here you have your closet space. And here we walk into the master bath. Master bath, here you have his and her closets. Again, this is a model home, so there's no clothes in it at this time. Beautifully designed. Here's the garden tub. Tiled around there, double vanity. Then you have your separate shower. Okay, again, this floor plan is actually called the Rutledge floor plan. 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath. So if you're looking for a 5-bedroom home, this floor plan will definitely be one of the top choices here in this lovely neighborhood. So give me a call. Anything new construction, you can give me a call. I'll be able to give you more details on this beautiful home over here in Long Cove, and gather any information that you may need. If you need to build from the ground up, I can help you with that. Or if you need a standard inventory, you can give me a call. Here you have this overlay. You can look over the catwalk here. Again, the Rutledge floor plan, 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath. Give me a call. Desmond Mead with Keller Williams Realty at 803-319-2703. Looking forward to hearing from you.